Did you accidentally delete your recent call history on your iPhone? Don't worry, there are a few methods you can try to recover it. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get your deleted call history back on your iPhone. Solution 1. Reset from an iCloud backup. Check your iCloud backup. Open Settings, tap your name at the top. Then tap iCloud. Tap iCloud. Scroll down, tap iCloud Backup. Tap Backups. Select your iPhone to see the date of the last backup. If the backup was made before you deleted the call history, proceed to the next step. Restore your iPhone. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Confirm the reset. Ensure you have a backup before doing this. After your iPhone restarts, follow the setup prompts. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Select the backup that contains your call history. Here's how you can recover deleted recent call history on your iPhone. It's a simple method to get back those important calls you might have accidentally lost. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.